What the heck is happening with the Highlands Ranch real estate market? I'm Sean Reddy, Keller Williams Reddy Group, and as we do every Monday, except for last one, I was on vacation, we break down what is happening in the Highlands Ranch real estate market. Number one question I get out and about as a realtor is, how is the market? And I could answer that with generic superlative answers, or we can go through the data. So if you're watching this, it's because you are of the data-driven approach, and maybe you are considering entering the market sometime in the near or maybe even not so near future, and you're just doing some homework. Well, this is the weekly breakdown of what's happening Highlands Ranch wide, and let's get into it. So in the last 7 days, 16 properties came to market. There are 5 that are coming soon, that's 21, and 8 fell out of contract and came back to market. That's 29 properties coming to market. That 8's pretty significant. I'm not going to talk too much about that on this video, yet that's a pretty high contract fallout. Okay, so what's coming off the market? 23 properties went under contract. 4 withdrew from the market, meaning they just, I don't know, for whatever reason, waved the white flag, decided this market's not for them. And then 7 expired, their listing contract expired, and those came off the market as well. So 23 and 4 is 27, plus 7 is 34. So 34 came off the market, 29 came on the market. So again, another week with more coming off than coming on, furthering inventory challenges. Let's break down. Also, let's talk about what closed. 18 homes closed last week, too, or in the last week, I'm going to say. So let's break some of these down, see what the numbers look like. Of the homes that closed, if I can make this thing work. Bear with me because I just did it. I think I'm just spinning here. I promise we're going to get to the stats. Maybe we start with the pendings. Okay, so of the 23 homes that went under contract, we're going to check out the stats on those. It looks like the most expensive home that went under contract was $1,250,000. Least expensive was $398,000. That one being a condo. The average home that went under contract last week, a shade over 702, with the median being 665,000. Not much market time for these homes. The longest any of them took was 57 days, right here, and then on average they took 17 days. Median only 6, so less than a month of median market time for those that just went under contract. Let's look at. Now backing out of this, what I wanted to do before, let's look at the closed homes. There we go. Let me select all. What do these look like? Okay, so as mentioned, 18 homes closed, anywhere from $425,000 up to $1.11 million. Average at 688, median at 662.5. These were on the market an average of 25 days, median of 22, so about 3 weeks of market time there. Longest being 60 days on market. As far as price goes, well, we talked about the close price. The list price average was $695, median $664. So you can see there's not a big spread between asking price and close price. The biggest spread being about 4.15%. Then you look over at this column here, the close to original list price. Some of these had to come down significantly to get under contract. That's where you see the discrepancy there. Now, let's see what came to market. Select all here. Hit the stats. Okay. What did I say? 16 homes came to market in the last 7 days, anywhere from $395 all the way up to $2 million. Average on those, $958 and change, almost $959. Median on those, $845. So there's a gap between what has been selling and what's come on the market in terms of average price. We'll have to wait and see how these homes do. Obviously, average and median days on market, not very long on these because they just came on in the last 7 days. So there's kind of the high-level overview of what's happening this week, at least, in the Highlands Ranch real estate market. It looks to me, with 23 going under contract, third week of October, We may have a rebound in contracts month over month. Last month was pretty brutal as far as the number of homes that went under contract, down about 40% year over year. We will continue, of course, to keep watching this. We make these weekly videos for Highlands Ranch. We make monthly videos for Highlands Ranch and the entire Denver Metro. And if you want something that's a little bit more specific to maybe your home, your neighborhood, your particular scenario, send us a message. Happy to break it down numbers wise so you can see what you'd be looking at in your specific scenario. Again, Sean Reddy, Keller Williams Ready Group. Thanks for watching.